Hey, today we are drawing Zim from Invader Zim. So you want to go ahead and start out with two ovals. The one on the right should be a little bit smaller than the one on the left. And then inside each of these ovals, we want to draw another oval kind of in the upper right hand corner. And then if you want to, if you have enough space to, you can draw a small little circle in the bottom left hand corner. So there we have Invader Zim's eyes. And the next thing we can start to work on is the top of its head. So we just want a line coming out from the right eye. And then we want to angle this upwards. Go down from here. So we're going to go down. And then we can go ahead and stop right about there. We also want to continue that line coming down from the eye. But we don't want to go down too far. And then we just want to draw a line that actually connects these two right here. And then let's imagine that this line keeps on going and it's going to then curve down back around. So this is kind of forming the bottom of Zim's mouth here. So now we can go ahead and draw another curved line that follows his mouth. So that way we can connect this one right down there. All right. And then we're also going to just go ahead and put on the antlers. They're not really antlers, antennas, I guess, on Invader Zim here. All right, so do one right at the point, and then the other one a little bit further down on its head. The next thing that we'll do is act as if this line continues on. So we'll go ahead and draw a little line right here and give it a little space and connect it right here to the mouth. And then we're going to draw a straight line right here. And then, of course, the teeth are like this really curvy, wavy line. And now we're going to draw a lot of geometric shapes here. So we're going to start out with this little triangle to kind of form the collar. And then to kind of make his arm, we're going to draw a line like this and then come all the way down and give it a little bit of a bend. And you want it to taper, so you want it to become more narrow down at the bottom. All right, and then we're going to draw a triangle around this. So we're going to continue this line through here and then bring it up and connect it up at the top. And then we can go ahead and draw the body. And it's going to come out and then it's going to curve in. And again, notice that I'm putting a little bend in the line right there. Right? Invader Zim is very angular. For his gloves, we can draw this little shape here. We got another one, and then this kind of just comes out, and we have another one that comes out right there. Right? And these you can just kind of bold in as you go. We can also put the little lines on his sleeve. Invader Zim has these lines on his sleeves. He also has these lines on his body. So we can go ahead and draw these little lines here. Again, notice I'm putting a little bit of a bend in those lines. And I'm just connecting them to places where we have gaps. We can also draw the backpack that Zim wears just by a curved line like this, and then draw some circles on it. Really, they're just going to be half circles kind of coming out from different areas on the backpack. To draw the legs, we're going to draw two shapes like this. Pretty much exactly the same. It tapers down at the bottom. We can fill these in black. And then we are going to draw pretty much another triangle here. Right, we'll do that same thing on the other side, and I'm trying to go fast here, so I'm not fully coloring it in yet. And then I'm going to draw another triangle for his feet. Right? And there we go. We pretty much have Invader Zim here. I am going to go back and just kind of bold some of these up and make a little cleaner here. But otherwise, we got Invader Zim. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I'm trying to come out with a lot more tutorials, and I will see you next time.